In every handful of seeds lies a quiet miracle, a promise of life, regeneration, and resilience. These tiny capsules hold the blueprint of growth itself, and within them, the same compounds your own body uses to rebuild, repair, and renew. Modern science is now confirming what ancient traditions always knew. Seeds are more than food. They are information, instructions written in nature's code, designed to help you age not just gracefully, but powerfully. Today, we'll explore 7 extraordinary seeds that do more than nourish. They rebuild collagen, balance hormones, and slow the visible and invisible signs of aging. Let's begin with one of the oldest cultivated plants on Earth, flax. Known for its golden oil and delicate blue flowers, flax has been a cornerstone of health and vitality from ancient Egypt to modern kitchens. But its most remarkable gift lies not in its beauty, but in its chemistry, the nutrients and compounds that support your body at a cellular level. Flax seeds are the richest natural source of lignans, plant compounds that gently mimic estrogen and help balance hormones naturally. As we age, hormone fluctuations can lead to dryness, fatigue, thinning skin, and mood swings. Flax works subtly to stabilize these rhythms, reducing excess estrogen when it's high and supporting it when it's low. That balance ripples outward, enhancing collagen production, improving skin hydration, and maintaining elasticity. In one clinical study, women who consumed flaxseed daily for just 12 weeks showed visible improvement in skin smoothness and hydration, proof that these tiny seeds wield mighty power. Flax is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the same essential fats found in fish, but entirely plant-based. These fatty acids soothe inflammation, protect your heart, and strengthen your skin's lipid barrier, creating a smoother, more resilient surface. A tablespoon a day is enough to make a meaningful difference. Grind them fresh for maximum benefit, sprinkle over oatmeal, stir into yogurt, or blend into your favorite smoothie. Flax isn't just a supplement, it's a signal of balance restored, a small but mighty tool for graceful aging. Every seed carries a blueprint for harmony, regeneration, and radiant health, proving that sometimes nature's smallest gifts make the biggest impact. Next, we travel into the heart of autumn, to the humble pumpkin seed, known in many cultures as pepita. Shiny, green, and earthy, these small seeds are tiny fortresses of nutrition, packed with minerals and compounds that work quietly yet profoundly to support your body. Their mineral profile is almost unmatched in the plant world. Zinc, magnesium, iron, and manganese, all working in perfect harmony to strengthen your skin, hair, nails, and overall vitality. Zinc, in particular, is the architect of collagen. Your skin, hair, and nails rely on it to repair tissue, heal wounds, and generate new cells. When zinc levels drop, collagen fibers weaken, resulting in wrinkles, slower healing, and a dull complexion. Pumpkin seeds replenish this vital reserve, giving your body the building blocks it needs to maintain resilience and radiance. But the benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, the mineral of calm. Magnesium regulates over 300 biochemical reactions, including those that control stress hormones. Less stress means lower cortisol, and lower cortisol allows your body to focus on regeneration instead of survival, promoting steady energy, better sleep, and youthful vitality. It's a quiet chain reaction, starting with a single seed and ending with a steadier heart, a calmer mind, and more radiant skin. Enjoy them lightly toasted in salads, soups, or grain bowls, or transform them into pumpkin seed milk, creamy, nutty, and deeply restorative. Each bite, each sip, is a small act of nourishment. Think of pumpkin seeds as your body's natural armor, protecting and renewing from the inside out, helping you age gracefully while keeping energy, focus, and beauty intact. Few plants are as misunderstood or as remarkable as hemp. Once banned, now celebrated, hemp has re-emerged as one of the most complete foods known to science. Each tiny seed is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle, collagen, and connective tissue. In fact, hemp's amino acid profile closely mirrors human proteins, meaning it's deeply compatible with your biology. For those over 40, this is crucial. As we age, muscle mass declines, a process called sarcopenia, which slows metabolism and weakens the body's support structure. Hemp seeds offer a clean, plant-based way to rebuild strength and maintain tone, all while being gentle on digestion. But their gifts don't stop there. Hemp seeds are rich in gamma-linolenic acid GLA, a rare omega-6 fatty acid that supports hormone balance, especially in women. GLA helps reduce inflammation, ease PMS and menopause symptoms, and keep skin supple and hydrated. It's no wonder ancient Chinese medicine regarded hemp as both food and remedy for vitality, recovery, and emotional balance. You can stir hemp hearts into porridge, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture. In every spoonful, you're not just feeding your body, you're renewing its structure, one protein strand at a time. Tiny, fragrant, and eternal, sesame seeds have been cultivated for over 5,000 years. In ancient Babylon, they were known as the oil of immortality. In India, they were ground into sacred Ayurvedic elixirs meant to strengthen skin, bones, and spirit. Even the phrase open sesame from old tales hints at what they symbolized: abundance, longevity, and the unlocking of hidden vitality. Modern science now confirms much of that wisdom. Sesame seeds are loaded with sesamin and sesamol, two rare antioxidants that act as molecular shields against oxidative stress, the silent process that causes wrinkles, fatigue, and cellular decline. They're also one of nature's richest plant sources of calcium, iron, and vitamin E nutrients that preserve skin elasticity, bone density, and circulatory balance, keeping your body youthful from the inside out. But perhaps their most overlooked power lies in the liver. Your liver is your body's quiet alchemist, filtering toxins, balancing hormones, and maintaining clean blood flow. When it's overwhelmed, signs appear on the surface: dull skin, low energy, slow metabolism. Sesame seeds contain compounds that help the liver detox naturally and gently, so that the glow that returns isn't cosmetic, it's metabolic. Across the Middle East and Asia, sesame has always been more than food, it's a ritual. It's found in tahini and halva, in sesame milks, and seed-crusted breads served during celebrations and ceremonies alike. When you add sesame to your diet today, in smoothies, salads, or morning porridge, you're not just nourishing your body. You're keeping alive a 5,000-year-old promise that healing begins with what we choose to cultivate, one tiny seed at a time. We arrive at the fruit that has symbolized regeneration for millennia, the pomegranate. Crack open its ruby shell, and you'll find hundreds of jewel-like seeds, each one glowing with the color of life itself. Inside those crimson chambers lies a biochemical treasure: ellagic acid and collagen, two of nature's most potent antioxidants. Modern science is only beginning to understand what ancient civilizations already intuited: that pomegranate doesn't merely delay aging. It helps the body renew itself. Studies show that these compounds protect collagen fibers from breakdown and even stimulate new synthesis, meaning firmer skin, stronger connective tissue, and a slower, visible aging process. In 2016, researchers found that pomegranate extract helped human skin cells resist UV-induced damage and improve their ability to rebuild collagen after exposure. But its magic doesn't stop at the surface. Once metabolized, pomegranate's compounds transform into urolithin A, a rare molecule that helps regenerate mitochondria, the energy factories inside every cell. This process, known as mitophagy, is a cornerstone of longevity research. Cells that can renew their mitochondria age more slowly, function more efficiently, and recover more deeply. The result? More energy, better repair, clearer skin, sharper mind, a system that feels and acts younger. Across time, cultures have revered this fruit for good reason. In ancient Persia, the pomegranate was a symbol of eternal life and rebirth. In Ayurveda, it was prescribed as a tonic for the blood, believed to purify, restore balance, and ignite the body's natural radiance. And in Greek mythology, it bridged life and death itself, the sacred fruit of Persephone, whose taste of its seeds marked her return from the underworld each spring. Today, science echoes that mythology in its own way, the pomegranate truly does bring renewal. You can eat the seeds whole, scatter them over salads, or blend them into smoothies for a burst of tangy vitality. Even pomegranate molasses, thick, dark, and sweet tart, carries that rejuvenating essence when drizzled over roasted vegetables or grains. Each glistening seed is a drop of renewal, a spark of vitality that has traveled through thousands of years and countless hands to reach your table. Not just a fruit, but a message from nature itself. The power to regenerate is already within you. Before energy drinks, before protein powders, there were chia seeds, the ancient endurance food of Aztec and Maya warriors. Tiny, black, and unassuming, these seeds were carried across deserts and battlefields for one reason: they sustained life. Packed with concentrated nutrients, chia seeds provided energy, hydration, and resilience to warriors who relied on them for survival. When soaked in water, chia seeds transform into a gel-like reservoir of hydration, a natural superfood that delivers water and nutrients directly to your cells. Inside that gel lies a perfect storm of nourishment: omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and plant collagen precursors. Everything your body needs for supple skin, strong connective tissue, and overall vitality. Chia's omega-3s calm inflammation, the silent force that accelerates aging, while its soluble fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, keeping energy levels smooth and moods balanced throughout the day. What truly sets chia apart is its ability to absorb up to 12 times its weight in water, creating deep cellular hydration. This means plumper skin, improved nutrient delivery, and joints that move with ease. It's no wonder wellness experts today call chia seeds edible skincare. Just a tablespoon or two a day, in smoothies, puddings, overnight oats, or sprinkled over fruit, can make a remarkable difference. Your skin stays elastic, your energy remains steady, and your body feels balanced from the inside out. Chia seeds aren't just a supplement. They're a daily ritual of renewal, a quiet but powerful way to feed your body, hydrate your cells, and maintain youthful vitality, one tiny seed at a time. Our final seed may be the most radiant of all, the sunflower seed, a tiny powerhouse and symbol of light, resilience, and vitality. These golden kernels don't just look like sunshine. They bring its rejuvenating power directly to your skin and cells. Sunflower seeds are one of nature's best sources of vitamin E, the fat-soluble antioxidant that shields your skin from UV damage, pollution, and oxidative stress. But vitamin E doesn't just defend, it repairs. It stabilizes collagen, protects the delicate lipids in your cell membranes, and improves microcirculation, helping your skin heal faster, glow longer, and resist the visible signs of aging. Sunflower seeds are also rich in selenium and B vitamins, a nutrient trio that supports thyroid function, balances mood, and fuels steady, reliable energy throughout the day. In other words, they nourish both the surface you see and the systems working silently beneath it. In today's world of stress, screens, and environmental toxins, sunflower seeds act as a natural filter, neutralizing hidden damage and protecting your body from within. They are small but mighty, a daily armor of antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats. Enjoy them raw, lightly roasted, or blended into sunflower butter for a nut-free alternative packed with youthful energy. Every handful is like sunlight for your cells, bright, protective, and full of quiet, enduring strength. Sunflower seeds are a reminder that radiance begins at the cellular level, and that true vitality isn't flashy or loud. It's steady, nourishing, and built one small bite at a time. When you think of longevity, you might imagine shelves of supplements, elaborate routines, or costly creams and serums. But the truth is simpler and far older. Each seed is a capsule of memory and design, carrying instructions for regeneration written by nature herself over millennia. Within their tiny forms lies a blueprint for life: how to repair, how to protect, how to thrive. When we consume them, we aren't just eating. We are borrowing nature's wisdom, teaching our bodies to stay flexible, resilient, and radiant. Every seed is a fragment of eternity, crafted to create life, sustain it, and renew it. In flax, pumpkin, hemp, sesame, and pomegranate seeds, your body finds not only vital nutrients, but instructions for rebuilding, restoring balance, and enhancing vitality. Omega-3s, antioxidants, minerals, and plant compounds all converge to support skin, joints, heart, and mind, a quiet, elegant guide to healthy aging. Aging isn't a battle to be fought, it's a rhythm to be harmonized. Subtle, potent, and eternal. Each spoonful, each sprinkle, each handful becomes part of a daily ritual, a gentle but powerful investment in your body's ability to regenerate and flourish. Incorporate them into smoothies, oatmeal, salads, or even baked goods. Let them work quietly behind the scenes, nourishing your cells, protecting your collagen, and supporting your energy from the inside out. Because sometimes the smallest things make the deepest difference. Tiny, humble seeds can hold the secrets of longevity. And with each bite, you're letting nature guide your body to vitality, resilience, and glow that lasts a lifetime.